Guess that's not going to work. Huh. Let's try it again. The battery died. Oh, that's what happened. Damn gear bent. Need some tighter gears. Yeah, okay, I'll have to fix that. Okay, I went back to the wider clamp on this side because of this joint. Even though I took that handle out, it's still got a seam there, and I was hitting that. So it is a tighter fit, but it still might rotate around. That's my biggest problem with this right now, is the flower sifter wants to rotate. I could get around that problem pretty sure if I drill some holes into the side and just bolt it in. That way it will keep it shifting, but I'm trying to keep from doing that. I've seen some people having screws down on a wooden thing and just having tightened down on this lip down here, but I don't really have a good way to catch that, I don't think. I'll have to think about that, but we'll try another test, see what it does. This gear set's a little bit tighter. It's about a 3.7 to 1 ratio. The other one was 6 to 1. So it's going to turn a little faster though. And I have this one set screw onto the switch, so when I turn it, it just turns it on. Let's see if it works. But yeah, one more thing about it. I added this. This is a stainless steel mesh. It was 12 inches by 24 inches. I overlapped it by 2 inches on the bottom. And I stitched the seam on this side over here with some copper wire, so that gives the beans another 10 inches before they go flying out. Last time, if I didn't have that on there, sometimes the beans would fly out. Oh, there went one. Yeah, not gonna work.
Did it pop out of the...
Okay, we'll try one more test like this with just cranking the handle just to see, and pressing down on it. Obviously I can't do this when it's roasting, but this will kind of tell me whether if the flour sifter doesn't rotate around this way, whether it'll work or not. So that way it'll tell me whether I need to, if I poke some more holes in here to screw it down so it doesn't turn around. Let's see. Seems like it might work alright if I can get that flour sifter to not rotate around. Yeah, I didn't have any beans fly up at all this time. I think I had one fly out a while ago when I was running it with the motor. I think it's going to work. Let's figure out the better way to clamp it so it doesn't actually move. Except for the crank handle.